Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Plug in or ensure the battery is above 10% so the change won't be interrupted. Open Settings directly, press Windows plus I or use the Start menu, then go to System and choose Power and Sleep or Battery on laptops. Once there, locate the Power and Battery panel. This is where Profiles live. You'll see current mode and quick toggles. Make sure to pause background updates or heavy tasks before switching so the system can apply settings cleanly. Now pick your profile based on goals. Choose Power Saver to extend runtime, Balanced for everyday use, or High Performance for max responsiveness. Once selected, click Change Plan Settings or open Advanced Battery Settings to fine-tune. Here you can modify screen timeout, sleep behavior, CPU maximum state, and restrict background apps. Those changes directly affect battery drain and thermal output. If you need a hybrid, create a custom plan and adjust processor power limits to balance performance versus battery life. That gives precise control. Save your changes and reboot if the system asks. Once restarted, test by running your typical workload for 15 to 30 minutes so you can observe battery and responsiveness. Use Task Manager and battery usage history to confirm CPU scaling and which apps consume power. If performance drops or battery drains unexpectedly, revert to the previous plan and update drivers, especially chipset and graphics. Run the built-in power troubleshooter. If problems continue, restore defaults or consult support. Those steps isolate whether the mode or a driver caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.